What is TypeScript? TypeScript is a newcomer to top programming language lists, but it's making headway. It was developed in 2012 by Microsoft and is a typed version of JavaScript that is well suited for large code bases. TypeScript is used to create JavaScript-based projects with typing in both client-side and server-side development, making useful for catching errors and preventing systemic issues. TypeScript was named Most Adopted Tech in the 2021 State of JavaScript survey. TypeScript developers typically earn an annual average of $75,199. Level: intermediate to advanced. Skills needed: basic knowledge of JavaScript required. Platform: web. Popularity among programmers: rapidly gaining popularity among programmers, especially for large-scale programs. Benefits: great for large-scale projects. It has the fastest-growing GitHub community. Makes JavaScript development more efficient. Downsides: you need to know JavaScript first. Degree of use: gaining heavy traction among web developers. Annual salary projection: $75,200. Dear friend, if you like this video, kindly make sure to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you stay informed about all our upcoming latest videos. Keep watching Protech Computer Education. Thank you.